The best bits of 2019. At the start of the year, we went to New Zealand. Mum was a bridesmaid at Shannon's wedding. We had lots of fun with my family.
How you've been together too long when you both
catch the
same fish.
My mum went up Tongariro again, but that time it was really windy. Mom did indoor skydiving. Mom went to Singapore and Everest base camp.
Just walking the streets in Nepal and it's dusty as frick and it's crazy. Look at the ambulance.
Today I'm playing a card game. So, this is a card game where me and my dad when my mom was in Nepal. Now my first card I'm going to play is the power of Cody in the water that has smashing water power. Now my next card, the raging fishing boy named Cody Faithful. Next card, it's a power card, the Infinity Gnome Stack, which doesn't actually have infinity gnomes. Now, my last card, and I am going to win with the Raging Jesse.
You raging?
We went to Augusta, we went fishing. Oh, we saw stingrays and you could pet them. This year, my dad's card went from looking like this to looking like that. So this is Dad's card now that it's got its painting. Dad went to Adelaide to compete in Drift Masters. Dad would have scored higher, but his axle broke. This year, my dad went to D1WA Drift Championship, and in round 1 he placed 3rd in D1WA Championship. Round 2 he came 3rd again, and another 3rd for the overall. The big one and the overall big trophy. So, my dad has got another 3rd place. So there, round 3, the 2019 Outlaw Series. Dad finished the year with driftability. This year I learned how to skateboard. Oh, big. This wasn't a good thing, but there was a snake in Dad's room at work. I got a medal for good behaviour and I did a speech at school. Mum did true grit with her friend. I went to the aqua park and I went wakeboarding. I kneeboarded to the boys and I had to walk back with the kneeboard on my head. This year we had lots of fun in Perth. Finally doing the aqua park. There's two. So keen for the whole time at the wake park before going to do the wakeboarding, and the first time we went to the aqua park it's just soaking. The Everest getting his car wrapped.
Yeah.
From going like that to going like this. AFL.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get a haircut.
Goodbye 2019. Boop.